Hi, we're here with Brady Johnson talking about the aspects of nature. Together we're going to conform both ends meet, and we're going to do everything we can do to present. Thanks. So what made you start nature walks?
I started nature walks because I think nature is really neat. And I want everybody to know how neat nature is, instead of just me and Pedro knowing it. Riding bikes in nature is a very fun activity because you get the fun of riding your bicycle and the neatness of nature all in one spot. How neat is that?
You may wonder how Brady Johnson gets his magnificent skills to become a professional. So, on a scale to 1 to 10, how many times do you visit nature per week?
I go out in nature about 8 times a week, and I know what you're thinking. That's more times than there are days.
This is an aspen tree. You can tell it's an aspen tree because of the way it is. How neat is that? I know of all sorts of different kinds of trees, from aspen trees to pine trees. I know them all. There are many things you need to go into nature. One is a camera crew. Number 2 is a gun, but not a big gun, just big enough so you tell the animal, "Hi, I think you're pretty neat, but I respect your distance." And 3, you just need a whole lot of nature. That's pretty neat.